We are in Scottsdale, Arizona. It is my first time in Arizona, like actually here without like just crossing or having a layover. It is, what time is it, babe? Like 8, I think, here, which is 9 and I'll pass this. So it's pretty late for me to be getting ready. We came because Chris is picking up a car. I'm gonna get ready for us to go get his car today. I think it's kind of like exploring around stores kind of day. Hopefully tomorrow we get to go to the Grand Canyon. If not, I'm not sure what we're doing. But let's get ready for today. Money. Call. I'm also recording with my phone because I didn't plan on vlogging, so I didn't also bring my camera. This is a cute little dress from Abercrombie. I think it's gonna pair well with almost any kind of shoe, honestly. My booties. These I think I got on sale from Macy's or Dillard's, one of the other, but they were super cheap. Yeah. I'm gonna also wear this cardigan, or just take it in case it gets chilly. Chris is working, because yes, he cannot stop working. This is our room view. We have mountain view. The only thing that sucks is that we get like no sunlight until pretty much sunset because it's covered, but it's really pretty. Oh, it's a little balcony. Look at the view. It is a little chilly, but I'm outside in the shade with no sweater, so I think I might be good. Weather's supposed to be in like the mid to high 70s, so I think I'm gonna be fine, but that's later in the day. I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it today. I think I'm gonna be okay. We are out of the hotel now, on our way to get Chris's little 3-wheeler. We are officially here. It looks so cool, guys. Let's see if I can test drive something. Are you excited? Look at this beauty. Oh my god, it's a classic freaking Corvette, but forget the brand, it's a classic. That's beautiful. The cars here are pretty cool, but this one, anything classic has my heart.
¿Lo estás viendo?
Nice. Next to test drive.
Está bonito, o sea, está mucho mejor el interior al...
Wow. Oh my god. The walls. Stuff with Chris's car. I got these juices because this looked good. It just, in the description, it didn't say it had ginger, so it burns my throat every time I swallow. But here's our food. This is so good. It's from over there. I like the neck a lot. I think this one was a little tighter right here. I like the flow. I like this and the arms, but don't think I'm taking this one. Hi y'all, I have not vlogged because we got out. I was a little tired. I stayed in the truck while Chris picked out the car. I felt sleepy. And now we're in the car. So, what's the car that you have, babe? Can you tell me what car you have?
An Audi R8.
Okay, what's so cool about this car? Or why did
It's a V10.
But why did you pick out this car?
Because it's a V10. It's
Oh.
a engine really big.
And yet the car is really small. Okay. Oh, I was showing you guys, but Chris rushed me out a little bit. I got a vanilla latte with oat milk, and just Chris got a vanilla latte as well, but with normal oat milk.
No, está bien. El otro día vi que el carro ese ya no quiso. Pero luego.
Okay, we're basically done shopping like in stores for us individually. I'm driving the car to drop off the truck, Chris's truck, in the hotel. It's so bright. And I'm taking the car. And then after that, we're gonna be heading to IKEA. Hopefully we find really cool stuff for like organization. Wait, I'll talk in the car because it's really dark.